The phones we're going to take a look at are made by a company called Yealink. They are one of the strongest up-and-coming companies. They've been around for a while, but you'll see them used by a lot of the major phone companies now, and we've chosen them as well as our product of choice. Although a lot of different brands will work with our phone service, the Yealinks, I believe, right now, as of this January 2019 video, represent the best combination of value and features that are out there on the market. They're also extremely manageable, which makes it very, very easy for us to deploy and support. The Yealink T23G is one of the most popular phones that we have. It's very, very basic, very inexpensive, but it's still a very good quality phone. Where you would use this is generally for folks that are not on the phone a great deal, such as if you needed to hang a phone in a pole in a warehouse, if you had a break room, if you just needed a phone in a lobby, something like that, just no frills. There aren't really any speed dials. There's no glamorous features on this phone. It's just a good general quality phone. It does have speaker, and it does also have gigabit connections on the back. So you can run it off of one cable. You can come one cable out of the wall and then run that cable into this phone and then run another cable from the phone to a computer. So if you've only got one wired connection, you can still get by even with this inexpensive phone, and it is full gigabit. So that's basically the features of this phone. If you are not ever planning to use a headset, then again, this can be a good phone for you. There are no frills or features, so it's just a good standard quality model. The T46S is our most popular color phone. It's full gigabit, and it's great for pretty much any office user, admin, staff, anyone that's taking a lot of calls. If you even think you might need a headset, then this is the phone you want to go with. It also has other expansion capabilities like Bluetooth, wireless. You can even plug a flash drive in the back of it and record calls if you wish. So it's a great value and just an all-around very, very good quality phone. This is your go-to phone for most of your office staff. The W60 is our cordless handset. And the way that works is there's a base unit that is basically a transmitter. So this needs to be located in a central location. It's plugged into an Ethernet network wire. And this becomes your radio transmitter out to the handsets. So this can go pretty much anywhere. Now you can take the handset and the charging base and place it out in a warehouse or in various offices. And this is a great little combination. One good thing about this base is it can handle up to 8 handsets. So by buying this one base, then you can stagger around 8 different handsets, say throughout the warehouse or throughout your office. So you always have a handset and a charger where you need it, but the source always comes from the base. So that's what you need to keep in mind for the W60. This handset is also full featured. So you can retrieve voicemail, you can page, you can transfer, you can do a lot of great functions on this, just like you can on the desktop phones. So you're not losing a lot of functionality there. It also includes a belt clip. So if you are on the go a lot, you can use it there as well. But you do have to stay within range of the base. In most environments, this is around 150 feet when you have walls. If you're in an open warehouse situation, you can pretty much double that range. So keep that range factor in mind as well. If you require a phone that has or that needs extended range farther than what this base can do, just let us know. We have other options available as well. For those offices that need a conference room phone, we also have a couple of really good different models that you can choose from. This one is the 960 model, and it is one of the top of the line units. It competes very, very well against the Polycoms and the other Starfish type phones you'll see out there. However, you'll find this is an amazing value. It's typically, I would say, around 30% less cost than the other brands, but you're not losing anything. Quality level, everything about it, features are fantastic. As a matter of fact, the 960 has the ability out of the box to cover a room about 20 feet long, or a conference room table about 20 feet long. However, if you'll notice, this right here is actually a wireless charging port for extra microphones. So this is very unique about this unit. You don't have to string cables across. If you would like to purchase it with the additional mics, that's fine, or you can add them later if you need to get them. But these, you can just set them on here. They'll charge up. You can take the wireless mics, spread them out on the table, and you can get up to a 30-foot range, combined range with this one phone by using it in this manner. So if you have a conference room that you need to cover a decent area, 20 to 30 feet, this is a great model. There's also a model 920 that looks almost identical to this, not quite as many features, a little bit less cost, and it doesn't have the wireless mics. That's one of the reasons the cost is reduced. So if you're looking for to cover a room up to 20 feet and you don't ever think you'll need any expansion, the 920 is a good choice as well. There are so many choices, and that's one of the great things about a ComTech phone system is we're not really limited. We can use Polycom, we can use Cisco, we can use Yealink, we can use a lot of different devices and make them work with our system. If there's ever anything that you need and you perhaps don't see it on our brochure, just ask. Things like emergency bells, ringers for a warehouse with strobe lights, paging systems. There's just a ton of different devices that we can do. There's more than we could possibly put on a brochure. So if you have a need, just ask for it and we'll do our very best to deliver on that need.